こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 22 of JLPT N4. This is the second part of this see, see. But today, instead of using それに, sometimes we're going to use this adverb. それで, the reason, the cause, 理由, 理由. We're going to use this sentence, see, see, to explain the cause or the reason. So this is why we use それで. This is why, in this meaning of reason, still the same 主観的, this subjective, and also 話し言葉, spoken language. The same as in the previous video when I talked about the listing things. Today, this is the reason. But also these particles を, が, は can change to も. This is not necessary, but if we change to も, it sounds more natural. Please don't forget, before し, we use 普通形. This is plain form. If you don't remember plain form, please watch my video, grammar video number 94 of JLPT 5. There are verbs, adjectives, and nouns in plain form. And please be careful with na adjective and the noun, we must change to da. So, だし, だし. Oh, it's rainy today. And also I'm tired. So, I'm not going out. 今日は雨だ. 今日は雨だし。疲れている。疲れているし。出かけません。今日は雨だし、疲れているし、出かけません。As you see in this sentence, at first I'm telling see one of the reason, and the second one see the second reason. So the last sentence is the result. I'm not going to do this, or I'm going to do this, because I was telling these two reasons. Oh, I have a fever, and also I have a headache. So I want to skip school. To have fever, 熱がある or 熱があります. I don't have fever. 熱がない or 熱がありません. We usually use the particle が, but here we can change to も. To have a headache. 頭が痛いです. Or with a です. 頭が痛い. And 痛い, this is, you conjugate like e adjective. And we usually use the particle が, but we can change to も in this sentence. The verb 休みます. 休みます. This has two meanings. One of them is to have a rest, because this is nimbe, the person just beside the tree. 木. So like this, oh, to have a rest. But also the other one, 休みます, it means to skip school or to skip job. Or I'm gonna have a one day off. 休みます. 熱もあるし。熱もあるし。頭も痛いし。学校休みます。熱もあるし、頭も痛いし、学校休みます。Well, this coffee shop, coffee is delicious, and also it's quiet and nice, relaxing. This is why I come here quite often. Quiet and nice and peaceful, relaxing. This is the adjective 静か, 静か. And this is not adjective. So just before she, not 静かし, and also not 静かなし, but 静かだ, 静かだし. In this sentence, I'm going to use this adverb, それで. This means that's why, or so. This adverb, よく, this means quite often. I'm going to use here the verb 来ます to come, but in this way, 来るんです. 来るんです。If you don't remember this んです、you can watch my grammar video number one of JLPT4. このカフェは、この喫茶店は、コーヒーも美味しいし、コーヒーも美味しいし、静かだし、それでよく来るんです。それでよく来るんです。この喫茶店はコーヒーも美味しいし、静かだし、それでよく来るんです。I don't have time, and I'm not good at cooking. That's why I don't cook. I have time. 時間があります。And I don't have time. 時間がありません。But this part must be in 普通形 in the plain form. And so 時間がある。And the negative is ない。Okay? あるない。The 時間があった。The past. And the past negative 時間がなかった。時間もないし、料理も下手だし、それで料理しません。時間もないし、料理も下手だし、それで料理しません。This convenience store is near from the house, and also there are lots of things. That's why I buy something every day. Various, many types of. いろいろな. This is not adjective. 色 it means color. And again 色. So multicolor. Many types. いろいろな, for example, いろいろなもの. Various things. Many types of things. And sometimes in very casual way, we can say いろんなもの。something 何か something and 誰か someone どこか somewhere いつか someday このコンビニはうちから近いしいろいろなものもあるし、それで毎日何か買います。このコンビニはうちから近いし、いろいろなものもあるし、それで毎日何か買います。These shoes? Design is good. Also comfortable. I've decided. I'll take them. Please, these ones, please. Comfortable, relaxing. 楽 with this 漢字楽 and this is not adjective. For example, 楽な sofa, comfortable sofa or comfortable work. 楽な仕事 as this is not adjective, when we use withし we must change the plain form 楽だし In my grammar video number 97 of JLPT5, we learned not adjective or noun and にします。Please watch this video. And this means I've decided. So, I've decided this one. これにします。この靴はデザインもいいし、この靴はデザインもいいし、楽だし、これにします。この靴はデザインもいいし、楽だし、これにします。In this sentence, I didn't use this adverb それで but it's still okay. Everybody can understand the meaning of the reason. I like Japan and I also like anime. That's why I'm studying Japanese. I already taught you 好き I like something, something が好きです with the particle が. But in this case with she, we can change to も something も好き. 好き this is like な adjective. So instead of 好きな we must change to 好きだ the plain form 好きだ好きだし日本も好きだしアニメも好きだしそれで日本語を勉強しています。日本も好きだしアニメも好きだしそれで日本語を勉強しています。Till here we learned these examples using twice see see but we can also omit one and only one see and something and it's also possible. So let's see some examples. Even when we use only once but the meaning is the reasons they are more than one or they are more than two, but I'm only telling this one, but actually there are more reasons. Oh, it's late. So I have to get going now. It's about time to something. Or in soon, like this, we use this adverb, そろそろ. For example, そろそろ失礼します. It's about the time to go now. It's about the time to excuse myself. I have to get going now. そろそろ失礼します。もう遅い。もう遅いし。そろそろ失礼します。もう遅いし、そろそろ失礼します。There wasn't even electricity. So it was really uncomfortable place. This adverb すごく this is used in spoken language and this means very, tremendously, incredibly, awfully. And we can use this in a positive way and also in a negative way. For example, すっごく素敵 How marvelous! Oh, or すごく悪かった It was awful, very bad. そこは電気もないし、すごく不便なところだったよ。そこは電気もないし、すごく不便なところだったよ。At last, the exams are over. So why don't we go to Disneyland after all of this time that we didn't go? Something is over, something is finished. Something が終わります。This is intransitive verb. Well, anyway, so we use usually we use particle が but in this sentence with using しなんとかし then we can replace も something も終わります。After a long time, after all of this time, 久しぶりに this is adverb 久しぶりに and the verb long time no see. Oh, it's nice to see you again. This is an expression and we use this one too. But in this case, we are not going to use this ni. So without ni and we add お久しぶり。お久しぶり。It's nice to see you again. 試験も終わったし、試験も終わったし、久しぶりにディズニーランドに行きませんか？試験も終わったし、久しぶりにディズニーランドに行きませんか？試験も終わったし、久しぶりにディズニーランドに行かない？ Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目 Vegetables? You don't get fat. And also, it's good for health. So I'm eating them every day. 2番目 The color is splendid. Nice. And also it's cheap. So I'm gonna buy this t-shirt. 3番目最後です。The birthday. Oh, I can receive presents. Lots of gifts. And also I can eat delicious cake. Oh, I love it. Today we learned the way how to say the reasons at first. だからし、なんとかだし。Then this is spoken language. And the last part, so I do this or I don't do this. This is this form of し、それで。Well, if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it because I want to continue with the third part of this she and she. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. Please. いかがでしたか？今日もこの使い方を勉強しました。今回のビデオはパート2で理由を言いたいときに使う方法です。この部分のなんとかだし、なんとかだし、ここで理由を先に言って、で、その後で、それで、このそれでは使っても使わなくてもどっちでもいいですけど、そしてその後にその結果を言う言い方です。このビデオが少しでも役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、高評価ボタン、忘れないでお願いいたします。もしまだチャンネル登録なさっていなかったら、ぜひお願いいたします。今回はパート2でしたが、次はパート3でさらに詳しく説明しますよ。このように私のビデオでは日本語をできるだけ詳しく優しく説明しています。ですからお友達に私のビデオを紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てください。じゃあまたね。